Welcome to Whisperify. Please give me a pen. Do you have a pencil? I need a piece of paper. Open your book. Close the book. Turn the page. Right here. Erase it. Write your name. Show me your work. Keep your things safe. Pack your school bag. May I come in? Sit down, please. Can you help me? I am very happy today. I am feeling tired. Please open your book. May I come in? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Thank you very much. Please be quiet. Where is my bag? I am ready to learn. Subscribe Whisperify for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.